Too much GH. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
Ebushia for Akwaba Shonko and Komamusape is about too much GH so na ne de munia banana ama ogusebre aso se trending issues omayi emusem de dika de hia ene sesia de so ya to abato emu chire nsem a ema no misu no eno na sabe me de ebeso mo e ye fide so ne ebushia for minimum ka say NDC for communicators was central region sesia de wo at the letter ten abetudwa eno no wo e de Ghana police service na ebiom so wo address e de ma media house na be ya de robo ebe call will be any one entity say ewo eye but aye de omini so awon ehwe nim say ebebe mu ehun na ni nya no elfa eye and some abia efi eye honorable Kennedy Ejapon MP elect for Asan Central efi ninu ewo live TV so ewo no ankasa TV channel na two so ebra na tese wa addressing eja hihia ekoso wo man mu eye eja ahodo eja atumini tese public la state institutions bia eja atumani nya no se ada police for ensa koche abrantia alidi ade Daniel 41-year-old woman so ye NDC member ntina tese connected to the NDC party na no na tese na honorable addresser enam so emano di ensembi threat edi piefini num edi two judges no sabre ana NDC for ye dina so edi eka se ehun be yan se Ghana police for womo ebeche honorable Kennedy Ejapon le for ensemo ebi wo mpa krata wo de ababonte no so mepese mekenkan edi mo dansa na no bitwa no edi aba me ba na tase yira ensem no mu Ebusia for mame Emma munia akwaba biem na ebiem so no menua ba bi ewo efi ase atese me no ebedi enkomo edi afa NDC for position as say the woman ateki say arrested the honorable member of parliament honorable Kennedy Ejapon it's time and sema wodi etudwa no ewo no Miss Messica ewo abame na akwaba na wi ana makinkan grata no emu ensem edi achona tese enkomo no yafa edi fi oba no akwaba Bibia boso.
Yami adum bibia fine. Say your wife be quality way.
Emedi yami shira mi. Yami shira mi pa asema asem kesi atese da wo ti bi. Yami aye ama mi. Mo sa aye no menu.
Ehuyia pa.
Na oba wo man mu ye state ayi wo mu sisi yi. Akoye say ehun kakra wo from mu because aba mi enya to be declaration about ebi munya womo want to say I'm to say demonstrations are what akoso na for such a critical time like this any position of my dream is here na esen campaign for kasa ya ebe piefi enu nka ye check ye making sure say all our messages are sounding peace and be ya o mind de beko bia no even as hard as this time and bit me go through I be pia stone e pray wo say o mind peaceful nation not to say and sema if you honorable you know about first and foremost as some collect and so who want to say
you me aba nana manya me ensure na first of all we jina akonyo so echia too much etin for ni ahwefo na some damoji pressure ya nyame engu so anya mo kesen so na me aba won say eba honorable nsemo a what the betu ya two wrongs doesn't make it right too harsh free opinion what wo man so ba me hu ne say nia amana ko ba sane sai say election echi no amanoko and this omupo enti womupo any demonstration inside na say nia wono so kire say nye say wonko na woni mupo yanso ye betumi epo back etiam and na mpa say too wrong doesn't make it right kaka shit but so mu say o mining so timemufo no wo mu enya papa because when I say Takashio politician politicians tricksters. Okay. They play with the mind of the people. They are very smart people. I'm telling you, nothing is happening. Like in terms of honorable and don't just say he mean it too. or popo nenibi. But some kind with some when you know popo. Now when you know with the popo no. They should remember say leadership by example. Ghana, we are watching them. Yeah, show papa. Because you expect to say you leaders ebeyesa. Aside say honorable so dija edi petru ababegu ne ekoso and amanoko and this in one more year no impression one more creating no very bad they've not noticed share the opportunity they have is now and they will amend certain things on my penya say amanoko ni din and maybe etwemo yes see every mistake is a new start. Etian can rear uncle pass a say easy viewable, say easy and viewable, a declaration about and I'm on a Ghana, yet the power number easy. Eti that side, they see this side need no, Emma easy, be a chill to a faco court. Now, Abasa won't court. Now, some Muslim demonstration, What's the demonstration about? No crime to animal. And no Ghana for sure say as a responsible party, is that what they expect from you? They say person who a reasonable way be and who say these people are responsible. I don't think the demonstration eventually say I am an Oko MDC no one way are responsible. It doesn't even speak well of them. And my Ghana for the donors to say I am an Oko MDC no we are violent people. In a violent way.
Okay,
meanwhile, Anka, even though say Moody defeat, ebe preachy peace. Then Anka, even next 4 years to come, Anka, the obet a sympathy vote. And now maybe impression Roma create to say easy, we are abanimo de ama amanuko MPP. Now, name will say message abeto out to say amanuko NDC so when you have revised a Ghana for the woody papantino. One more beshi ties, almost beshi market, almost beshi toll boots, just almost beshi just almost say you maybe my Ghana will say woman near break rampa. Honorable Kennedy Japan right to say one also be betina and it shows what they're expressing a hunger because it doesn't solve anything. Say Omobeshi Mahama Allah. That means our country is being ruled by violence.
Yes.
Because former President JM you've not meant it. Political tricks, a game, but some people are wicked in the system. Say they will take what you said and operate on it just to have you in trouble. It is simple. Abu friends say okay can because near working as some cassie. Say yen see who could be betting your cocoon. I could this jumano. One kwashi JM dear, no kwashi general secretary dear. Now uncle ya can say you they will put it on you. Say who honorable Kennedy Japan. One I will be kind, as many sure so you within this, and I mean sure say you are such a violent man. One I will be kind say one who will be our money I won't come with chinning. And I say won't will be mistake away and cunning. That means who will be our soft at Wakuma. Akuma, just I wasn't watching come out from. There is no way I want to when you're walking. We didn't say obey to me. And so, and no, make no with the politics. No more, one more, sir. Ruining your mouth, my breath. I within a day. It's because they are very expensive to reverse it. It will take your whole life. As we are the other today. Ebe taking the whole life to explain himself.
Okay, but you know how I'm Kratano and to just say arrest Kennedy Japan now. We want to draw the attention of the Ghana Police Service to an incendiary statement from Mr. Kennedy Japan on a live TV program which has since been widely circulated on social media. In the said video, Mr. Japan sought to other Asnish to his command to burn down residential properties of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Mr. Johnson Asiedu Inketia, retired Colonel Larry Bevlo Latte, Captain retired Joshua Amidu Akamba, and lawyer Baba Jamal. Beyond his threats, he also held offensive and unprintable insults at the personalities of the aforementioned individuals. We urge the police, as a matter of urgency, to arrest Mr. Japan for his life-threatening and unfortunate comment, which has the tendency to disturb the peace and cohesion of the country. While Kennedy Agyapong has been known to survive on insults and anti-democratic conduct in the public space, a direct threat to cause harm to leading political figures in this country is 1 mile too far, especially with his recent past in focus, where he threatened on a live TV program the life of renowned journalist Ahmed Swale, for which the latter was subsequently murdered in cold blood. The NDC is a democratic party and believes in the power of the state to reign in characters like Kennedy Agyapong. We have, however, noted with concern the tendency of some officials and institutions of the state to pander to partisan political patronage against the direct mandate bestowed on them by the 1992 Constitution. We want to see the police service discharge its mandates impartially on this matter and bring Mr. Agyapong to book in order to gain the trust of the masses. The consequences of the state's failure in maintaining law and order by protecting the citizenry is obvious to all. We make this call knowing well that there are a great number of individuals in the service committed to the security of our beloved country. We need not remind the police of the swift manner with which a Power FM journalist was recently arrested and detained for days and currently being prosecuted for allegedly insulting and threatening a President Nana Akufo-Addo. Kindly accept our felicitations for the season and do this country the service you swore to discharge in fairness and integrity to all manner of persons. Long live Ghana. Signed by Honorable Kwesi Dahoud, Regional Communication Officer for Central Region. Na minyaba womo letter no emu womo emeki emphatic like womo meki instances bia etwemu no womo edi to just say ye be kai a Honorable Kennedy Agyapong ya pro ya before say ye bi ban so every bi etwema what na the TV so e kan sem bi etia amestuale ama enam so wakan bi enechi no ampa yekokum abrante e wo kwan ye ya trabisi ne za asem yetimi ehu ne kuma subreye na enwechi no Power FM journalist bi so e bai be kasa etia mapeni a woteso na kufado anche and they invite me to see a of it guy searching no any community say ye bi penya abeti na Honorable Kennedy Agyapong ye nka se ni buefu and atese ntu no kasa nti beja nsa e wo mpa say ye nya no sa
Miniaba, what do you expect? Omu portray some kind of characteristics I know na di way na ba oba soja womu ne soja tie ni ana reaction na womu ye demonstration what do they expect?
Womu mpo ne and let me making it emphatically. So womu mpo ne sha say womu mpo no wa soja womu mpo no ma ye bibi boni according to Honorable Okasa ni an was say information any mukura no what buying and what power. And if you have the information, we know that as a lawmaker who didn't say Emra, who information, who some credible fact about assembly, you know the channel to take it through. Then to information, went me out for police channel, went me out for intelligence, went me out for Mranya. Then you just come and sit on your channel and
come and see one rubble. So
okay.
Who say who saw candle? Say who got so candle? No one say candle now call light no. Candle no when you say so a bright one and one no.
Okay.
Well, when you answer say so the candle is plate mu. Na wo so a say nya ye nsuo bi e be so na free mu bia no en say wo no. Who the basic like who the basic plate mu from the beginning. The America say NDC for no kamu bina egusu dele say now they are issuing a command say arrest Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Then I'm also sitting here to say that they have to arrest General Secretary Mr. Johnson esi edu nketia woni nsem bia wodi betu ja say akosi se Ghana for wonu nsem wodi betu ja say Ghana for botaye ne say anka former President John Dramani Mahama na ese wodi adie wo man instead of ebia easy aba out na aba be declare me the party BHO but sister asem no kwenda wa ye 27 instead of honorable instead of Ebia, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Isi Abe declare no. One of the words to say Isia's declaration why any infant chain. Na Ghana for kuma so ade any honorable any former president John Dramani Mahama enti ne betie bia no wo be omo be demonstrate ya kopim say sabutaye ni bepem wo kro ben so ne yes
it's in their civic rights so bit about demonstration.
They can go to court tie no na they lighted the candle and after the candle no aso and nsuo no pete because who penny to me amanokuom to me be cancer then you don't have the right to say just say you are not ready to go with peace council, you are not ready to even change your mind. See one statement now papa ni make here no she statement or make here say they will do anything now one country for any crowd do na no machita for no be demonstration that means peace will not prevail. Eti nya wo ye me pa chese so e dey ba na bi na honorable Kennedy Japan so back say me catch us say one more back eti won no so ehun say eye amanoko NDC for na ye o ma adwen say asumdwe de wo mu mpebi no ma soja no ono so be meja no ade de ama on eja no ma so am e no no abun so meja no ede na utie kasa ye mpenifo ni make say wo mu ma eye sa peace Ghana fo hia no mo nsa enka just a demonstration in the one more bayano. One more treaty Ghana to Ghana. Our peace is at risk right now. It's almost they have to arrest them. If they are saying say one rabbo, I see arrest one rabbo. And so who say one more now start say and near omo yen in actually say and ya some gain or more prama Ghana. It's Ghana ya so much so Anka Xmas Yigabel Christmas song everywhere. What it be? Sister, what any common? Because obia attention will crop, obia soon na sumudie say eye mpedifo dey back critical omo be fa plane pa na omo ko na mo ni wo mo ba ehin na wo mo be ko Ghana for esu all because of asumudie eye amanyoko ndisi so atwo mo some the demonstration no wo mo be ya say wo NSC a market information so be PSA mo ba shishin and also another threat on the peace of Ghana. Both parties are threatening the peace of Ghana, and all of them must be arrested. I'm not backing the fact say they should arrest Abia Honorable Kennedy Japan. They shouldn't. They should arrest both the leaders of Amanyoko and NDC Penifona. They are not letting peace maintain in Ghana, no? And they should also arrest anyone who would threaten the peace of Ghana. Now, or threaten the peace of Ghana, and they say or threaten NDC Amanyoko, no, because a tie for Amanyoko NDC. One to NDC penny bia and to Ghana chitai for our mutai Amanyoko NDC and a bonnet to MPP chitai phobia and to Duduana one more to tie MPP Amanyoko nechi and the chase na Ghana and Kasa Yasumudiana Kasano. It says here it's not working anymore. They should arrest all the leaders that would threaten any opposition party. All of them, they should arrest them. Because as the Omo Kasa to send a brand new Ghana, Obi Ayani our pet. And leadership, by example, we are watching you people. And if you people are not peaceful, how can us, the grassroots, be peaceful? We will also go by your ways. That means democracy, we are abusing democracy in Ghana.
We are abusing democracy in Ghana. Now can you say about we are going back to one Ghana, one people. But I see no and they add near Dane acquired threats from Afano and it's not good for the nation's sanity and I said the stability and good crime. And penny for say womuka say there's already tension in the atmosphere. Womuka say womu enshi womu enkasa with caution with the country in mind say bibio make biano now because of young for most of the supporters in tension move femininity bibio make biano it can either trigger war or bring about peace. Ninti Amanyoko NDC letter now Omodiaba and you won't come on now. Ghanaians for the nation, Ghanaians, everybody saying that the honorable member of parliament for the threats, checking for that because it is not in its right place. So we're threatening leading opposition members are to say one so eti one baby at say they are to it might be crap they are not even aware of it. Nintina able to afford baby assembly I go see I don't know once watching try if I will know but the first to me our comment section. Maybe also share video on all the social media platform. TooMaG8 our Instagram and Twitter at TooMaG8 _ Facebook TooMaG8. Maybe Adana ama Obuso. Maybe Miss Messica and you didn't come on me adama. Maybe they shall be background.